Rainy. Real rainy. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Northwest Trail series. Yeah, who knows what this video is even about? I'm just practicing making a video. I think that's what I'm really doing. Hold on, I can't see what's going on here. Let's just take a, there we go. Now I can see myself. Happy New Year's. It is January 1st. Today, I'm gonna go pick up a new upgrade for my mountain bike because last year, at the end of last year, started doing a lot more mountain biking and doing distance stuff. You know, like working out, cardio, long mountain bike rides. But this year, as like a little reward for myself, I got myself a sweet upgrade. You don't know this, but I've been riding with clipless pedals for the last couple weeks. And I always thought that those were crazy. I was like, who would ever ride clipless pedals? That doesn't seem safe. And it's not. It definitely isn't. After riding for a few weeks, it's sketchy. I've toned down the riding to be like as safe as possible, so so I don't get messed up during the transition process. But they are so much more efficient. I went on a 40-mile ride. That's just crazy. That was like 10 miles more than my previous longest ride. And it wasn't that bad. Clipless pedals make it pretty good. But yeah, I want to ride more this year. It's pretty bleh out there right now. I think you can hear the rain raining away on the car. But we're going to try to go mountain biking more and do bigger, further rides. And this upgrade is going to help with that a lot. But I got to go pick up a few things. I got the upgrade in the house. It's waiting to be put on the bike. But I need, I don't know, what's it called? Compound something. Something you use to like, I can't give away anything. It's some sort of compound thing that's going to help me attach something to the bike. And then I'm gonna maybe get a torque wrench because I don't have one of those yet, and I feel like I should have one. I don't know how much 6 Newton meters is of force, but yeah, don't want to mess up the bike. So I'm gonna see if I can find one of those, and then we're gonna set it up. And if the rain stops, which I don't think it will, it's supposed to rain for like the next 10 days. I'm gonna go test it out. If not, I'm going to make up a cardio workout to do because this year I'm thinking I'm going to do weightlifting one day, cardio. Let's say like the week is eventually going to look like this. It'll be like Monday, weightlifting. Tuesday, cardio. Wednesday, weightlifting. Cardio, weightlifting. And then cardio, and then rest day. The cardio days will usually involve ab days because I don't know, I got pretty big this last year, so we're trying to bring it down a little bit, get a little bit more into mountain biking condition. Yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. I'm gonna start driving now. A good rule for you: you ever see someone vlogging while driving? Tell them in the comments, be like, "Yo, that's not safe. Don't do that. Don't do that." All right. Let's see. Oh God, do I have my keys? I might have to go back and grab my keys. That'd be the worst. I'm already in the car. It's wet. How did this happen? All right, I'll go get the keys. And then we'll get driving. All right, I got him. Here we go. We can go now. Dun, 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 dun. Whew. All right. So I was looking for a torque wrench, didn't find one. So we're gonna keep just doing what we've been doing for forever, which is just guessing, which seems to work just fine. So, and I've got the assembly compound. That's what it was. Yeah. All right, so that's half of what we wanted. That's gonna have to do. So let's go set up that sick mountain bike upgrade. Here we go. Whew, okay. We made it back. Got the stuff. Ready to put that somewhere. Who knows? I gotta pee really bad, and then we'll continue. I guess we just tighten it down and see what happens. Now you gotta watch me try to do exactly 6 Newton meters of force. I don't really know what that is. Perfect. 6 Newton meters on every bolt. Exactly. Seems pretty sick. There's really no easy way to try this out. I could go outside, but it's dark outside, so. So we gonna try it out inside. All right, there we go. We got the aero bars all hooked up. I was gonna go take them on a test spin, but it's pretty dark and rainy, so that's not gonna do much for us on film. But it looks like Sunday. Today's Friday. We'll go on Sunday. Sunday should be a nice long test ride day. We'll bring out the camera equipment and everything and give it the full test run. So I guess you're just gonna have to wait and find out if those are any good until next week. But thanks for watching till this point, and I'll see you guys next Friday. Peace.